Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
USPS does not offer direct refunds for their money orders. Money orders are not eligible for a refund. However, if a money order is spoiled or damaged, you can request a replacement money order, write your name as the recipient, and then cash the money order. 26 January 2012.
Let's help you make your mark.
You can take the money order to your bank, credit union, grocery store, and some retail stores. Review our full list of where to cash a money order in the section below. Endorse your money order. Wait to add your signature to the back of the money order until you're ready to hand it over to the cashier. 26 September 2018.
Take our lead.
Cashing the money order. Bring identification. The bank won't cash the money order without acceptable proof that you are the person who is supposed to receive the funds. Some banks and check cashing stores also may request your right thumbprint next to your signature on the money order.
Make your mark, take our lead.
With most money order issuers, including USPS, Western Union, and MoneyGram, you can cancel the payment. 2 To do so, either fill out a form or take the money order back to the place you originally bought it. Bring identification and any information you have about the money order to start the process.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.